Hello everyone. In case you didn't know, this is my birthday month. That's right. My birthday is on July 30th, so it's not until the end of the month, but still. I'm one of those guys that think you should celebrate my birthday the entire month. Get over it. Anyway, so what am I asking for my birthday? Not much. I don't need a lot of things. I'm very happy with what I have. I have a roof over my head. I have food to eat. I get to go out and feed kids 3-4 times a week. All of that is great. However, for my birthday, if you would be so kind, I would like to get Senglai some things. As she's sitting there watching a movie. I believe it's Kong Skull Island or something like that. But she's been without a phone for a couple months because hers broke. She wants to get her hair done. She wants to get her nails done, as women will. Not against that sort of thing. I'm just saying. We just don't have the extra money to do it. And I think for a birthday, it's probably the most opportune time if you're going to ask for money, right? I mean, money is universal. You know, now you could buy me this, you could buy me that. I might like it, I might not. I think we can all agree we've gotten presents that were less than what they first appeared to be. So I'm just asking everybody to send me some cash. Donate through my PayPal. You can go to buymeacoffee.com/DDC. However you want to do it. And my goal is $250. And with that money, I will buy Senglai a new phone. I will be able to pay the rest of my rent. And we will be able to buy enough food for ourselves and enough to go out and feed other people. And by the way, I got a great donation, and I'm going to dedicate the next video to them. Well, you'll see. We're going out and we're going to be handing out some food to some very needy people. So I don't want you to get confused and think that I am needy or that I'm going to starve or anything like that. But it would be nice to get her the stuff that she wants. And since it's my birthday, I'm saying, hey, send me money. Yeah. Anyway, now what you're going to see is a night out with my friend Joe. Joe came into town from his province, Kampong Tom, and he was nice enough to take me, myself and Senglai out. Bought us a few drinks. Bought us something to eat at Burger King. Him and his son are in town. So that's always great. But I just wanted you to know, whether you give me any money or not, I appreciate everybody that watches. And I hope you're all well and staying safe. And be sure to look forward to the next video. We're going to feed a lot of hungry people, and that's always important to me. All right. Talk to you guys later. We're here with Joe. Joe finally made it. Joe and his son in the Batman shirt.
Batman.
Batman. Say hello, Merle. That's his name, Merle. There he is.
Hey.
Yeah, thumbs up. So we're just here at the Burger King, let these guys get something to eat. As you know, that's Joe's favorite restaurant. And they don't have one where he lives, so we decided to meet here. So after their long bus journey, they could get something to eat. Say goodbye. That's a good burger, isn't it?
I should take a movie.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I gotta take a movie.
He's a fan.
I gotta take a movie.
He's a fan of the burger.
Oh man. How many bites is that?
Alright guys, we're done at the Burger King. There we go, we're just down here having a few drinks. Joe got something called the Porn Star Margarita. Or Martini. Down here at Beatniks. That's what that looks like. Let me get a
What is this? A shot that goes
picture of that.
I don't know.
There we go. Nothing for the kid. He's had too much to drink already, Coca-Cola wise. Of course, me sitting here with a beer, and we're down here with our friend Dow. There he is, Robert Williamson, my subscriber. He remembers you, so there he is. Robert says hi. We're getting him something squared away here to drink also with us. And we're down here at Beatnik. And the kid, of course, he's got his French fries from his meal. And he's got some kind of tea.
Tissue, no.
And some guys getting a Red Bull, I think.
Water.
Oh, that's water in there, okay. Yeah. It's a nice day. Overcast, so the sun's not too bad. And here's...
I'm not even sweating. This is just on so the head don't shine.
Dow
I'm
sells
not sweating.
books
I need a hat like that.
for a living. 32 years ago, correct? A bomb blew up his arms and scarred his stomach and everything.
From Vietnam?
No, Cambodia. Cambodia.
So
What were you doing? Were you in a whorehouse at the time or what?
In the army.
Were you fighting or were you in a whorehouse?
People in the army.
Okay. I want to know.
And so he's down here selling
I
books.
if you had good karma or bad karma.
trying to raise
Okay,
money.
cheers.
So if he hangs down here by Pub Street, and you can get all his
Why? He
information.
got a Coke, but I got a martini first.
So if you want to help him out, he's down here on Pub Street, and there's his Gmail and Facebook information. Just to let you know. All right. Talk to you guys later. Now we're sitting here at Drink Bar. I'll show you over here. Drink Bar and Lounge. Say hello. Just a couple more beers, and for a single eye, I'm not sure what she got. I don't know what that is. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we're just walking around, and Joe don't come into town often, but when he does, he wants to go out, have a few drinks. As you can see, got a lot of construction going on outside. You can see over there. This whole road actually is under construction, so it's kind of dusty. Oh! They have different music, pool table. And there's Joe coming out of the bathroom in the back there. And the TV. Yeah. If you get a chance to come down here, good prices on the beer, good music, good atmosphere. I think you'll like it. Alright guys, we went to 3 separate bars, and now we're back at the guest house where Joe is staying for the night. Believe it or not, you can't see the sign, which is right there because of the light and my camera. But this is the Ta Sum guest house. Here's the thing. This is where I stayed for my first 2 weeks in Cambodia. For $100, I stayed here for 13 days and 12 nights. What's even more surprising is that when he came here to get a room, we had no preference, but they gave him my room. This is the room I actually stayed in. So it's like going back in time. This is where I stayed for my first 2 weeks here. There's a video about it all the way back at the beginning of my videos. I gave you a little room tour. Everything's the same. TV's the same. Refrigerator, wardrobe. Everything's the same. That's pretty cool, I think. Same guest house, same room. I suggested the guest house because it's a great place. He's going to get some free breakfast in the morning before he goes back to Kampong Tom. And in the meantime, they have beers downstairs in the cooler you can buy. And we're just here enjoying the night out on the balcony where I spent so many hours meeting some really great people. My friends from Japan, Australia, the Czech Republic, my buddy Rod that I hung out with for a long time when I first got here. We all met right here. So yeah, that was a good night. And even though it's only like 8:30 in the evening, we spent the day, started at Burger King as you saw, and we just went to a few different bars. We ate, we drank, we talked, we had a good time. Alright, later. Alright guys, don't forget to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC. As I said at the beginning of the video, all that money is used to teach English to kids for free. We also sponsor a portion of a village in the countryside, so we help feed the people out there when they're hungry. And we go about the city sometimes and just cook food here and pass it out on the street to anybody who wants it, basically. And we'll also be doing some animal welfare stuff very soon. All those links are down below. Other channels that are vlogging in Cambodia, they're excellent. You should watch them, subscribe. Those are down below. And all my social media, links to my books, and other things you have to look for. They're all down below. So be sure to check that all out. I really appreciate it. I want to say thank you to everybody that supports me. It means a lot. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.